It is imperative that as a people, we return to Africa, the land from whence we came. Because whether we go by ship, boat, or plane, I repatriation will not be in vain.
Yeah, whoa. Hey, my nation rise. Whoa, my nation rise. Come on now, Africans rise. Africa calling you. No time to linger the days. Renew the strength in you. All this tribulation that they put us through. Burn the shackles and the chains that they placed on you. My nations rise. The time is now true. No time to cry. Renew the strength in you. All this tribulation that they put us through. Burn the shackles and the chains. Oh yeah. We are the nation of right. So don't just sit around and go and doing wrong. It's only love can take us there. Together centralized and we strong. Wake up from your sleep and your slumber. The toxic in the food your days are numbered. Break free from the pressure them of us under. Come on, Babylon a genocide gangster. God yourself my people we going on. Return forward where we come from. Yes, our mind strong. Hailing the King. Stand firm, cause we are the need. God yourself my people we going on. Return forward where we come from. Yes, mind strong. Hailing the King. Stand firm, cause we are the need. Africans rise. Africa calling you. No time to linger the days. Renew the strength in you. All this tribulation that they put us through. Burn your shackles and the chains that they placed on you. My nations rise. The time is now true. No time to cry. Renew the strength in you. All this tribulation that they put us through. Burn your shackles and the chains. Oh yeah. How we endure this? I know the race is not for the swift. Watch out for them plots and them chicks. African run this. We're taking over the docks and the ships. To white Ethiopia the plane lift. Builders and architects is going there. Shasha money now the middle of the square. Ghana, Botswana. Pack your bag my people, let's get out of here. It's a beautiful sight, what a joy, prepare, let's say. It's a beautiful sight, prepare, let's say. Come on, come on. Now you say my people we going on. Return forward where we come from. Yes, our mind strong, heart we lean. Stand firm, cause we are the need. God you say my people we going on. Return forward where we come from. Yes, mind strong, hailing the King. Stand firm, cause we are the need. African rise, Africa calling you. No time to cry. Oh shit, you ready now? Oh shit.
These predators, they rob us of our land. They rob us of our diamond. They rob us of our gold. Now is the time, my son, for us to go home. Rastafari.